Hey people, Jay here and welcome. Today's video is a laundry collab and it is hosted by Charmaine Rosalie and Becky of Stay at Home Life. So be sure to check out their channel. If you're looking for more laundry motivation, be sure to check out the playlist. The links for the playlist as well as Becky and Charmaine's channel are listed down in the description box below. So I had washed my husband and my clothes the day before, and then it was time for me to fold. Folding is not my favorite thing. I would prefer to wash. Which do you prefer to do? One or the other, or both? For those that are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom, and on this channel I have content such as cleaning, decluttering, organization, grocery hauls, and my favorites of the month. And now in addition, laundry collabs. If this interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So in my household, it's the four of us, my hubby, myself, and my two adult children. I usually do my husband's, well, not all the time. Sometimes he does his laundry himself, and sometimes I will do the laundry together with mine. But my children, they do their laundry most of the time on the days that they're off from work. Well, I want to thank Charmaine and Becky for hosting this collab. Be sure to check out their channels. And if you want more motivation, be sure to check out the playlist as well as these two videos for laundry motivation. And I'll see you guys in the next one.